Hey everyone, how's it going? So this video I'm going to be opening up some Sword Art Online Weiss Schwarz booster packs. Now, I only picked these up at a couple of Comic Cons a couple of months ago, and then another pack more recently. And at first, when I first saw them, I didn't actually know that this was a real game. I actually thought they were just like these cheap knockoff packs, kind of like AliExpress. But no, after a bit of research I found out that Weiss Schwarz was actually a trading card game which you can battle different anime series against each other. So if you didn't know, I'm quite a big fan of the Sword Art Online series, so I could like build a deck with Sword Art cards and then I could play against another person who's maybe collecting the, I don't know, like Naruto for example, or I don't know if there's a One Piece by the same creators, and it's exactly the same type of, you know, card game, so you can kind of do like anime versus anime battles, which is really interesting. So this video I'm going to be opening the white packs because they're the 10th anniversary ones, but also the English variants, so I'm going to try and open these and get a first look impression of them, and then I'm going to open these ones at a later date. So this is part 1 of my Weiss Schwarz Sword Art Online booster pack openings. As for cards, what I'm after, I don't really know. I just know the characters pretty well, and so I don't really know what different cards are valued at, but at the moment I'm just more of a collector than I am a player, so we'll just open up and see what we've got. Right, okay, so this is the booster pack. This is the 10th anniversary. You can just see in the English edition at the top. I think these value about £5 a pack, and then up here it's all in non-English, but we've got you can kind of see like the different rarities. There's a lot of rarities to find here. You've got like, you know, there's your commons, uncommons, rares. I suppose like your really rares in a way, like your double rares. I can't remember what the CR and CC is. Special rare, triple rare, secret rare, and I can't remember what that one was. But these are the ones you really want to try and pull for. Alright, so really want to destroy the packaging, but okay, maybe they're not the English versions. Let's have a look. Have I just opened? Oh, many apologies. It looks like I have picked up. I've picked up 2 English and 1 Japanese. Okay. Well, that's put a bit of a stumper on me, so now I can't read the bloody cards. So let's just bring the camera in a bit closer. See a little focus. Might need to clean my lens. Alright, so could really do with this being in English. So a bit of Klein. He's probably always quite the character. Rito. That's pretty cute. So that's like that's the Alice and Yujo from the start of the Alicization arc. You kind of see them. You also see them right in the introduction part of the video to the Alicization series. And that's Asuna and is it her mother? I think. Oh, that's a shiny. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That's just a rare. So we've got Asuna. This looks like, I'm trying to look at it. It looks like it's from the fur. I can't quite see because my camera does need a clean, and I'm trying to look through my lens at the same time. But you can just kind of make out like a holographic film on that, so it's a shame I can't really read what it says. I think, is that from the movie? Is it Ordnance Scale? Just because of this character at the back. And a landscape card which has got Alice and Kirito. This is kind of when Kirito loses his memory when he tries to log out the game, and something happens. So he's kind of in a bit of an unworkable state at that time, and then Alice looks after him for a bit. Okay, so that's really cool. It's a shame it's not in English because I really wanted to read some of the cards. However, we've got 2 more packs. I'm just going to pause it for a second while I clean my lens. Okay, so onto the English cards. So the first booster pack probably wasn't the best because I didn't realise it wasn't in English, but I've got an Asuna. That's from series 1 very early on by the look of it. Let's have a look, see. So Battle Stance Asuna. Yeah, I think that's from Actually, I don't. What anniversary progressive? Oh, that's from the progressive series. Yeah. Okay. It just kind of gives some old school 2012 vibes. That one does. We can actually try and look. We've not actually been looking at the rarities either, so we've got that's a common. That's another common, but it's pretty cute artwork. It's that's Silica from the first one. I think that's is it the Alfheim Online series with a little pet dragon? Maybe it's the first series. Another common, Game Master Kayaba. So Kayaba was someone who created the game. Another common, Relax Time Mizuno. Did we get that in the Japanese version? I think that's the same character, isn't it? Black Swordsman Kirito in his typical black outfit. That is a common. So we now have got an uncommon. What's this? Death Gun alongside Faye. So that's from the Gun Gale series with Death Gun. In a party dress, Sortellina. That is an uncommon. And a rare. Hang on a minute! What? Hang on a minute. Wow, how crazy is that? So these were bought from two different conventions, but we've got the same foil card, one in Japanese and one in English. So that's. How lucky is that? I mean, they're only rares, they're not the secret rares or anything, but whether it's just like the common rare. So let's have a proper look at this one. Game of Life or Death. And then sideways card, the Hill of Memories. So again, Silica, that's the all your characters get plus 1000 power and plus 1 soul. So that's obviously the same character as this one here. So they did play, that character in particular did play a minor role in the newest series, but it's nice to see, get a bit of nostalgia back on that character. So our final pack, which is also a English pack. So yeah, I'll have to try and remember that for next time. And the good thing is they look like they might be in rarity order as well, so hopefully the better cards are at the back, there's no need to pull anything forward. So we've got Deep Regrets Mito. Got another Kayaba. Silica, Asuna and Kirito. That's from Ordinal Scale, which is the movie. Common, Asuna, Aria of a Starless Night. That's pretty cool. That's the Aria of a Starless Night is the progressive one. That's where they kind of try to continue or not reenact, but like bring on Asuna's story of the series back from the start of the series, but much later on after the major plot of storyline has come to an end. That's pretty cool. That's one, and Asuna and Elizabeth, that's a common. Valuable Strength, Kirito, as an uncommon. Another Mito, uncommon. Our shiny is just a rare beta tester Mito. Oh, Mito was, yeah, so she was from Progressive. She was in the Asuna's story. So when the major plotline ends, we kind of release like some, maybe I think it's like an hour and a half long episodal films where it showed you Asuna's storyline, how she progressed from day one of the original game. So you got that one in foil. Looks like you guaranteed the foil anyway. So, and then this card. Wow, hang on a minute. So we've got that in Japanese and that one in English as well. Please do note that these are ordered from two completely different Comic Cons. The Japanese and the English pack, so I can't see how that's happened twice, but at least we've got one in English now, one in Japanese. but it doesn't beat the foil from the other pack. That's quite funny. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to end it there. I'm going to open these 2 packs from whatever season in another video. I'm going to end this video here because it's going to end for 10 minutes. But got some really nice cards, and it's nice to look back on some of the Sword Art Online artwork. You know, looking at it from different angles. I like how we've got different arcs and, you know, films, episodals, characters what you don't really see much of. It's quite unique. I think it'd be interesting to learn this game. It's just finding time to getting around to learn how to play it. So yeah, the artwork is really, really good. It's obviously professional grade, but I think best moment in this pack opening is probably this one. Maybe it's not. I don't know if the card's worth much, but we've got one in Japanese and one in English. So that's kind of made my day with these pack openings. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.